Hi friends, this is car headrest. I brought it from Meesho. Okay, let's unbox this and see how beautiful product is this. Okay, I have a scissor. Wow. Oh, this is really nice product. It cost me 169 rupees on Meesho. 169 rupees. Okay, I will put the URL, Meesho URL on the description of this video. 169 rupees for one quantity. It's very, I think it's very worthful. Okay, let's open this and see how it is. Thanks for choosing our product. My J. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh, what is this? Okay, no problem. This is really nice product. Oh, actually, this is matched to my car seat cover. This beige color is. This is beige color, and my car seat cover is also beige color. So this is very match. Okay. Okay, it's really nice product. I will show you how this looks on my car. Let me. This is really worthful for 169 rupees actually. Thanks for Meesho. This is how it looks on my seat. Actually, this very fit for headrest separated seat, but it's okay. It's okay for my car. It's really nice. It will very useful when we travel very long journey, because we have to rest our head. Okay, thanks Meesho. I will put the product link on the description. Okay, you can buy it from Meesho. It's very cheap. It's only cost 169 rupees. I just opened this. This is actually what is inside this. Some cottons. Other thing is, after 5 minutes, don't open these seams because it's broken. When I try to close this, actually this is very tight. Okay, when I try to open this zip is broken. Okay, I will fix it, no problem. Okay, don't try to open this. This is actually very beautiful. You can open this after you use this for a long time. Whenever its value for body is